Okay, well, today turned out to have an interesting little glitch to it. Tried to go and see the retina specialist, the new retina specialist, the one that was closer to our house, like 5 miles. And we get all dressed and we get out the door and we're on our way and we get there and, ah, slight issue. No parking. And I mean, no parking. We circled and circled, and my poor husband was going every which way to try to find some kind of parking. But the problem is, we have a full size van, and my chair comes out of the side of the van with a ramp. It's not the minivan that we have, which has the lift in the back. So I had to call them and tell them, I'm sorry, we're here, but we can't come in because there is no way for my husband to get the car parked and me out. And the issue is interesting because there were a lot of handicapped parking spots because it's by a hospital. Every single one of them was filled, but not a single one of them was set up for a van where if you had a side wheelchair lift. If you had something in the rear, you would probably be able to get by. But if you have the side, which a lot of people who use wheelchairs and scooters have, you are SOL. I mean, seriously, especially if you're by yourself, which there are people who are fully capable of transporting themselves who use a wheelchair or an electric scooter. But we didn't have we have a lift. We don't have a lift in this big van. We do have something that fits in the trailer hitch, but because it's been raining in that, we didn't want to leave my scooter out overnight. So it's been inside the van. So now the gal, when I called her to cancel the appointment, said, well, do you want to cancel or just reschedule? And I said, well, I think we'll just cancel because this is my third time. Well, this is my second time for this office to make an appointment. And I just figure the universe is telling me something, and that is this isn't going to work for you. I'm afraid you're going to have to go blind on a slow way, and that's just how life is going to be. And unless they can come up with some miracle pill or miracle treatment that doesn't involve injecting you with anesthetic and then chemotherapy for something that doesn't actually cure anything. So that was my Monday, last Monday of February. Beautiful sunny day. So I'm just kind of hoping that that gives us a sense of the rest of the week will be a good sunny day. That would be such a fantasy world. But it's my fantasy world and I live in it. So bye.